Welcome to the GridML training videos. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to load an open API schema into GridML. So for this example, we're going to use a API schema that was created by the MISMO Mortgage Insurance Workgroup, and that is available on the MISMO members website. So let's bring up the browser, and that website is collaborate.mismo.org. It's a benefit available to MISMO members that allow them to see early releases of different products and standards. Let's go to the mortgage insurance community. Scroll down, and then in their library file or library folder, under Works in Progress, we'll select JSON Rate Quote API folder, and the top item appearing in there is the final estimated rate quote API package, which is a zip file. I'm going to click on that and view. And then I'm going to download it. This will go into my local downloads directory. So there it is. So next we're going to go into GridML. I'm going to click the user sign in. And there's no schemas that are currently active in GridML, so it's prompting me to set up schemas. I can click either the Set Up Schemas button or click the Setup button at the top. This will load in my repository. I'm going to go to my default repository. And there's a button on here that says Add Open API Schema Beta. I'm going to click on that. And as the note says, this is a new feature of GridML, and it is mostly complete, but we're still marking it as still under development. We're still doing some tweaking to it. GridML supports open API documents that are represented in the YAML format, and as the prompt says, you can load either a single YAML file or a zip file that contains multiple YAML files. So I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to go to my downloads directory. There's the zip file that we downloaded. Click Open. I'm going to click Upload. And I knew previously that this file actually contains errors. It was an earlier version, but I did that deliberately so I could show you that GridML checks for errors in the YAML files or in the YAML zip file. And when there is an error, it identifies the type of error, the error location, and so on. We reported this error to the Mortgage Insurance Workgroup, and since then they have fixed it. So I have a corrected version on my local hard drive, so I'm going to click this Add Open API button again. I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to go to my folder that has it, the corrected file, and it is called MI Estimated Rate Quote V1 Corrected. I'm going to click on that single YAML file and click Upload. This time it found no errors, so now it has created the MI Estimated Rate Quote folder in my default repository. The prompt is now saying select the root elements you want to use for viewing and searching. I can pick any of these. I'm going to just pick MI Estimated Rate Quote as the root element. I'm going to just go into View just to verify that it loads the schema into the browser, and there it is. You can see the root element that we selected, and these are the properties that are under there. There's another video that's going to go into viewing and searching in more detail, but in this video I just wanted to show you how to load a YAML file or a YAML zip file that contains YAML files into GridML. So look for that other video. Thank you.